Hey space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest news about the Hubble Space Telescope and how it's adapting to new challenges. Let's get started. NASA recently announced a major change for Hubble. The iconic space telescope will now operate using just one of its three remaining gyroscopes. This decision comes after one of the gyros failed and couldn't be restored. Hubble had been out of service since May 24th, when the gyro failed, but now it's gearing up for a new chapter in its incredible journey. Mark Clampin, director of NASA's Astrophysics Division, explained that after a series of tests, they decided to switch Hubble to single-gyro mode. This mode was planned over 20 years ago to extend Hubble's operational life well into the 2030s. By using only one gyro and keeping the other as a backup, Hubble can continue its vital work, although with some limitations. Patrick Krauss, project manager for Hubble at the Goddard Space Flight Center, mentioned that this mode will reduce Hubble's observation efficiency by about 12%. The telescope will take longer to move between targets, and there will be a larger exclusion zone near the Sun, limiting observations of moving objects closer than Mars. However, these limitations won't significantly impact Hubble's ability to perform groundbreaking science. A study by the Space Telescope Science Institute estimated a 25% reduction in Hubble's overall scientific productivity in single-gyro mode. Despite this, Clampin reassured us that Hubble remains capable of a wide range of scientific discoveries. The focus now is on preserving Hubble's functionality for as long as possible. The two remaining gyros are enhanced models installed during the last shuttle servicing mission in 2009. One has already surpassed 142,000 hours of operation, while the other is nearing 90,000 hours. Both are performing well, giving NASA confidence that Hubble will continue to function until the mid-2030s. NASA also reviewed commercial proposals to reboost or repair Hubble, but decided not to pursue them for now. The study, conducted with SpaceX, assessed the feasibility of a Crew Dragon mission to reboost Hubble and possibly install new gyros. However, the risks, such as potential damage to Hubble's mirror from thruster plumes, led NASA to step back from this option. They haven't ruled it out entirely, but for now, they believe the long-term science return does not outweigh the short-term risks. This change to single-gyro operations won't affect NASA's efforts to find cost savings for both Hubble and the Chandra X-ray Observatory. NASA is looking to reduce the annual costs of operating these telescopes, which currently stand at about $95 million for Hubble. In conclusion, Hubble is entering a new phase, adapting to challenges while continuing to deliver valuable scientific data. What do you think about Hubble's future on single-gyro mode? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest space news. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.